Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This uniquely located residential gem is located on the coveted Ironshore Golf Course, as well as the much desired Sugar Mill Road in St. James. Once the venue for great escapes and memorable events, this beautiful home needs that special touch to realize its full potential. It comes with 11 bedrooms and 8 bathrooms. It sits on a little over an acre of land, with its comfortable spread accommodations and on-site recreation areas. The possibilities are limitless, whether it's for private use or vacation rentals. This property is situated along the elegant corridor in Ironshore, which houses some of Montego Bay's more upscale dwellings and close to a number of luxury hotel accommodations. Property value will always maintain and increase accordingly. Guys, let's take a look at this property, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this property is Jamaican 75 million or US $487.2 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.